Hi guys, today we talk about HMD Nokia N74. It's launched on December 2024. The dimensions of HMD Nokia N74: height 6.4 inch, width 2.98 inch, thickness 8.9 mm, the weight is 218 gram, and the build front and back glass and aluminium frame. And the display of Nokia N74, it comes with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color screen type. The screen size is 6.82 inches with 19.4% screen to body ratio. The resolution is 2K and the PPA density is 514. The refresh rate of Nokia N74 is 120Hz with 5000 nits peak of brightness. And the screen protection of Nokia N74, it's come with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 3 means armor. Let's talk about the platform of Nokia N74. It's come with Android 15 operating system. The chipset is Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 with octa-core Cortex-X5 CPU, and the GPU is Adreno 760. The memory of Nokia N74, it's come with 12, 16 and 24 gigs of RAM and 256, 512 gigs and 1 TB of ROM. No SD card, no nano memory card support in this mobile. The camera setup of HMD Nokia N74, it's come with triple camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide, 1 inch sensor and 50 megapixel ultra wide, 50 megapixel periscope telephoto with 3.5x optical zoom, and it's record 8K 24 fps video. The front camera is 32 megapixel and it's record 4K 30 fps video. The battery backup of HMD Nokia 74, it's come with 5300 mAh battery with 100 watt fast wired charging and 50 watt wireless charging, and it supports 50 watt reverse wireless charging. The common and the features of HMD Nokia N74, it has Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, stereo speakers, infrared port, USB Type-C, fingerprint under display, NFC, UFS 4.1 and IP68 dust and water resistant. The price of HMD Nokia N74 is not available at this time.